Welcome to Learn About Law. My name's Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to talk about collaborative divorce and cooperative divorce in Iowa. Both collaborative divorce and cooperative divorce are methods by which the parties can facilitate a settlement agreement and avoid the costs and the stress and the time involved with litigation. It can lead to a much more cost-effective and speedier divorce. In both a collaborative divorce and a cooperative divorce, the parties and their attorneys sign something called a participation agreement. And this is, again, signed by the attorneys as well, and it's an agreement to collaborate in the divorce process by attempting to avoid litigation through cooperation, transparency, the free sharing of information and documents, and good faith efforts to settle. Once a settlement is reached in either a collaborative divorce or a cooperative divorce, it's filed along with the divorce petition and entered by the court without generally the parties having to even appear in court. So you're trying to do all the work on the front end through your attorneys helping you settle the case, and you settle the case before you even file the divorce petition. And that petition is filed, and it can take basically as short as a month, however long it takes for the parties to actually reach an agreement. But it's an agreement to try to be cooperative in the way that you go through your divorce and not litigate in court over multiple issues. The difference between a collaborative divorce and a cooperative divorce is that in a collaborative divorce, in the participation agreement, the parties and their attorneys agree that if any issues do need to be litigated, if the parties aren't able to settle, then they have to fire their existing attorneys and hire new attorneys for the litigation. So this incentivizes everybody, both the attorneys and the parties, to settle, because the attorneys aren't going to get to keep the case if they litigate. And the parties are going to have to pay a little bit more than they otherwise would have and hire new attorneys. Now, in a cooperative divorce, you can keep your same attorneys and go forward with the litigation. You don't have to fire your attorneys and hire new attorneys if litigation is necessary. The advantage of this is that it's a little bit less expensive for the parties if they do have to litigate. They don't have to start from square one with new attorneys. The downside is that the incentives aren't as high in a cooperative divorce as in a collaborative divorce, where you do have to hire new attorneys if you want to litigate. The incentives aren't as high to settle. So again, the advantages of either a collaborative or a cooperative divorce are that it's less time and money spent by both parties by avoiding litigation over any of the issues. It makes settlement more likely. The informal setting outside of a courtroom also makes settlement more likely because tensions aren't as high between the parties. And finally, the parties have more control if they settle over the actual terms of their agreement than rolling the dice and hoping that a judge will rule in your favor. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you need some help, please give us a call at 563-503-6910. That's 563-503-6910. We practice many areas of law, and we offer free consultations in many of them, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. If you found this helpful, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to us on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, SoundCloud, or wherever you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.